I'm Alice. I studied level 2 and level 3 confection and patisserie, and now I'm a pastry chef. I felt very excited to return to the learning environment because I've always loved learning. My motivation was the very sudden need to change careers, and I wanted to do something that required skill. So I chose baking. It wasn't something impulsive, it was something that I needed to plan my future around, so I knew getting myself a solid foundation in solid training would be the best way forward. The course is run in a professional way, but with that feeling of having a safety net underneath, because all of the teachers want you to work at a professional level, but also want you to know that you can make mistakes, you can absolutely mess it up entirely. I felt incredibly supported by the college. From the beginning, they were very clear about this is a class for a career. This is a practical course with practical elements that's aimed to get you into the food industry. And within the class environment, everyone has the same passion. It's just we're all in this together, all learning together. It just had a wonderful collective feel to it that really gave me strength as I went through. My experience really built my confidence and made me feel braver as a person because it was a risk. It was something that I wasn't sure what the results were going to be and if it was even going to be worth it. But I had so much fun and there was so much joy and excitement to be gained from being there. There was so much just passion for learning and passion for new experiences around that I felt very inspired by that, and it gave me drive coming out of college to keep pushing forward. So I ended up here at Flourish Craft Bakery, bringing that little bit of joy to people every day in my own way, my own creations and my own ideas. I'm hoping one day that I'll be able to have my own place like this and my own tea room and create my own menu and my own madness.